I'm Lisa with iHeart Pacific Northwest. Today I'm showing you how to make 9 easy camping meals, all with ingredients from Trader Joe's. These meals focus on minimal prep and simple cooking on a camp stove, so there's no campfire cooking required. All of the ingredients and camp kitchen gear used in this video are listed in the description. Let's get started. The breakfast burrito uses fully cooked bacon, eggs, Mexican-style cheese, avocado mash, and flour tortillas. Start by warming the fully cooked bacon over low heat. It only needs to heat through, and it burns quickly even on low, so watch it closely. Once warmed, set it aside. Next, scramble the eggs in the skillet until just set. I like to crack them at home and store them in a container so they're ready to go at camp. Now it's time to assemble. Place the scrambled eggs and bacon on a flour tortilla, add shredded cheese and avocado mash, and fold it into a burrito. Warm the burrito in the skillet on both sides until heated through and the cheese melts. This is my favorite breakfast when I go camping. For hash browns and sausage, the ingredients are shredded potato hash browns, chicken breakfast sausage patties, and bell peppers, all found in the frozen food aisle at Trader Joe's. Start by heating the sausage in the skillet and add the potatoes. Cook for a couple of minutes, stirring regularly. Then add the bell peppers and salt and pepper. Continue stirring until everything is slightly browned. I like to cut the sausage into bite-sized pieces for easier eating. This is a super easy breakfast that's hearty and filling. For a griddle cake sandwich, you'll need Dutch griddle cakes, chicken breakfast sausage patties, sharp cheddar cheese slices, and eggs. Start by heating the sausage in a skillet. Add the griddle cakes, which only need to be lightly warmed. They burn easily because of the sugar in them, so watch them closely. Remove the sausage and griddle cakes when they're done and set them aside. Next, scramble the egg until just set. To assemble, layer the egg and sausage on a griddle cake, then top with a slice of cheese. That's all it takes to make an easy breakfast sandwich. To make an Italian deli-style sandwich, you'll need salami and cheese, avocado mash, baby lettuce and arugula, and brioche buns. Slice the brioche bun and layer the salami and cheese. Then spread the avocado mash and top with lettuce and arugula. This is a great sandwich to take on a hike. Trader Joe's offers many different styles of salad kits, which come with everything needed to make a salad, including the greens, dressing, and toppings. This is the sweet onion salad kit with romaine, kale, and radicchio, sharp white cheddar cheese, crispy fried onions, crouton crumbles, and a sweet onion vinaigrette dressing. Salad kits are my favorite way to get extra veggies when I'm camping. This light lunch uses oak smoked salmon, dill cream cheese spread, and green olive flat crackers from Trader Joe's. This is a simple snack or light lunch that's a little more special than the usual options, and it works well if you want something satisfying without being too heavy. It's also perfect before a bigger dinner at camp. This Asian noodle stir fry uses TJ squiggly noodles with soy and sesame sauce, sriracha baked tofu, sugar snap peas, and shredded carrots. Start by filling a pan with water and bringing it to a boil for the noodles while you cook the rest of the meal. Cut the tofu into small pieces and brown it in the skillet until lightly golden. While the tofu cooks, cut the sugar snap peas. Add them to the skillet and cook until just tender. The noodles only take about 4 minutes to cook. Once they're done, strain them and add the sauce packet directly to the noodles in the pan and stir. Add the tofu and vegetables to the pan with the noodles, reheating briefly if needed so everything is hot and well mixed. This is one of my regular camping dinners because it's easy to make and healthy. This dinner uses frozen shrimp scampi, 4-cheese ravioli, and roasted green vegetables. Start by boiling water for the ravioli, which only takes 4 minutes to cook. Meanwhile, add the frozen shrimp, which is coated with a garlic, butter, lemon, and wine sauce, to a skillet. While the shrimp cooks, the sauce melts and fills the pan. When the ravioli is done, strain it and place it on a plate, then add the cooked shrimp and sauce on top. Then heat the roasted green vegetables, which are already fully cooked and just need to be heated. This meal is super easy to prepare, yet it's fancy enough to feel like a special treat when camping. This burrito uses grilled chili lime chicken, Mexican-style cheese, avocado mash, baby lettuce and arugula, and flour tortillas. Heat the fully cooked chicken in a skillet until warmed through. Then place it on a flour tortilla and top with avocado mash, shredded cheese, and lettuce. Fold it into a burrito and return it to the skillet, heating on both sides until warm and the cheese melts. This burrito combines smoky chicken with a creamy, tangy avocado sauce, and no grilling is required. I hope this gives you some ideas for easy camping meals. Thanks for watching.